I know that a lot of you already use Google Docs or Google Documents within your class. For those of you who don't, I wanted to do a lightning round on why it might be a good option. And there are a few reasons I'm going to cover, hopefully quickly. The first is accessibility. The Google Docs are accessible anytime you have internet access, or you can download them if you need to work offline. The Google Docs are compatible with most types of software. You can save the documents as Word or PDF or whatever you need. For grading and commenting, it saves downloading a file, commenting and saving, and then emailing it back to the student. All that can be done online. There's interaction with the students, both real-time and asynchronously, depending on how you want to do it. And it's great for facilitating group work because multiple students can work on the same document at the same time or asynchronously, with each student's work saved as different versions automatically. Okay, let's go first to accessibility. For accessibility, keep in mind with Google Docs, you can get there from from anywhere where you have web access. You can use your faculty email address, which I've done here. I have multiple Gmail accounts. I've created one with my faculty email. That's one I'm signed into now. And then I can go to the Google Drive. And I have a lot of documents here, but I'm just going to create a new Google Doc. And I'll save it as practice 1. Now, student emails are automatically Gmail accounts, so students can also create Google Docs and share them with you or anyone else. I'm going to share this real quick with another Gmail address, my at-home physiology address. This I can choose whether they can edit, only comment, or view. I'm going to let this be editing for demonstration purpose. Now that's shared with the student at home physiology. Now the student gets an email. They can click on this document and it will open up. Notice I'm logged in at this point as at home physiology, and I can write things like this is my submitted assignment, period. Next, let's go with compatibility. Now, if I need access offline, I can always choose File Download As. It could be a Word document, PDF, or whatever type of file I would typically need. Third, let's talk about grading and commenting. As far as grading goes, I'm logged in as a faculty member now, and I can choose any place or just a spot to add a comment. For example, this assignment is incomplete. Comment. Okay, so then I'll delete that one. So this shows up as part of the document. Now notice that this comment comes up in real time for the student. This setup means that I can grade like I normally would, and the student will see the comments on Google Docs. I can save that, record the grade, but I can also interact with the student in real time. In fact, we can come up and chat. Now we'll talk about interaction between you and the student and with other students. What should I do to complete the assignment? You should write a complete page. So this means not only can I interact in real time with my students, but students, if they have a group document, can interact with each other. And now group work. Now, as for grading and group work, we will always have a version history, and I can look and see who has done what work when, and this will tell me on January 23rd at 7:58 a.m. At Home Physiology did this work, and then at 7:39 I as a faculty member did that. So we'll get that for every student involved in the group. We can see not only what each student has done, but when they did it. The bottom line is Google Docs can save me a ton of time accessing documents, downloading them, grading them, and uploading them. I can simply make the changes. The students can see that in real time. It's easy for access and grading, and it's also great for things like syllabi. If you put a link on Moodle, then every time you update your syllabus for snow days, whatever, then those changes are saved. And you have the different versions, so you still have access. You can go back to the version you started the semester with and look at how that changed throughout the semester. It's a great tool for saving work.